So if you're going to be home all day, you want to make sure the house smells amazing, right? Think about it. If you have carpet, all sorts of odors are lingering, even when you vacuum. So here's a simple recipe with just 2 ingredients to leave your carpets so fresh and so clean. All you need is baking soda and your favorite essential oil, and you have a toxic-free carpet freshener. I like peppermint oil because it smells fresh and naturally wards off certain pests, including ants. So here's the breakdown. I use about a half teaspoon of essential oil and then 2 cups of baking soda. I save my seasoning containers because these holes are perfect. I give the mix a good shake, let it sit for 24 hours to settle, and then you're ready to clean. I usually sprinkle the mix on the carpet, then I do my dusting so the mix has a chance to simmer into the carpet. Then I just vacuum it up. That's it. And just like that, no more stinky odors lingering around in your carpet. So how do you keep your carpet so fresh and so clean? Without all of the toxins, of course. Send pictures to our Instagram and Twitter pages. It's @theGreenDesert. Thanks for watching, and remember, eat green, get sun, and stay grounded.